Okay. Now go to mesh tool, select multi-cut tool, press shift on your keyboard. This will select the midpoint of the edge loop. Again press shift, press enter. Do the same for the other side. Press shift on your keyboard. Now go to face selection mode. Select this face, this one. Select the faces as shown. Sorry, first select this face. Click extrude. Type here offset 0.1 or type here offset, I think 0.1 is right, 0.1. Again select this face and also this face, click extrude, offset, type here 0.1. Go to edge selection mode, select this edge, click extrude and move them just like this. Just put this one here, go to top view and see. Again go to perspective view, go to object mode, now again select this face and also this one. Again click extrude, type here offset 0.08 and select this face, shift double click on this edge ring, sorry, Ctrl G to undo. Click extrude, type here offset 0.04, select this face, shift double click and click extrude. And move them slightly back. Type here minus 0.16. Again select these two faces, click extrude and type offset 0.04. Select this face, shift double click, click extrude and type here offset minus 0.16. Sorry, Ctrl G to undo. Move back minus 0.16. Translate Z. Go to object mode. Select this face and also this one and also this one. And see. And do the same for the other side. Select this face and also this face, click extrude. Type here offset, sorry, go to object mode, go to mesh tool, insert edge loop tool option, edit reset the tool, select multiple edge loop, use equal multiplier, type here number of edge loop 1, press enter. Now go to top view, turn off the X-ray mode and insert one edge loop here at the middle of this point. Now go to object mode, again go to top view, select the other half of the curve and press delete. This is plus x-axis and this is minus x-axis, so mirroring should be done minus x-axis. Sorry, Control G to undo. Multicut tool, turn off the grid, click one point here and another point here, press enter. Face selection mode, select the other half of the face. Top view, select these faces, press delete. Now again go to perspective view, turn on the grid, see, go to object mode. This is plus x-axis, so mirroring should be done minus x-axis. Edit, reset the setting, minus x-axis, type object, card geometry, click mirror. Mirroring should be done minus y-axis. Select this, edit, delete by type, delete history, click merge vertices. Now select these vertices, merge vertices, merging is done. See, the two-sided door modeling is completed. Now again select this face and also this one, this face and also this one. Select this face, this one and also this one. Click extrude, type here offset 0.5 or 3. And move them up just slightly. Go to object mode. Now go to vertex selection mode. Select this vertex and also this vertex. Scale tool, move tool and move the vertex just here. Control G to undo. Select also this one and also this one. Move tool. Move them back just here. Do the same for the front vertices. Select these two vertices and also these two. Move them as shown. Go to object mode. Go to mesh tool, insert edge loop, reset the tool, multiple edge loop, type here 4, number of edge loop 4. Insert the edge loop as shown. Do the same for the other side. Go to object mode, edit, delete by type, delete history. Go to face selection mode. Select this face this face, this one, select the faces as shown. This face, this one, select the faces as shown. Click on this circularize icon. Click circularize. See, this will circularize your faces. Now again click extrude the face. Type here offset 0.01 or 0.02, 0.035. Now select this face, shift double click. Do the same for the back part. Select this face, shift double click. Click extrude. And move them back inwards. See the effect. Now select these 9 faces. And scale slightly. Do the same for the front side. Sorry, for this side. Click scale. Go to object mode. Again go to face selection mode, go to top view. Sorry. Select this half face. Go to perspective view. See. Press delete. Object mode. Mirroring should be done along x-axis. Sorry. Go to mirror mesh. Click mirror. Type here y. Sorry, change the axis to y, minus y. See the effect. Mirroring should be along y-axis. Again click merge vertices. Go to object mode. Edit. Delete by type. Delete history. Now press 3 to see the smooth shape. Again press 1. This is the end of the part 3. I will see you on my next lesson. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.